Every year I like to adventure into new places, meet new people, and experience new things. I was never afraid to take on a new journey, even if the end of it may look very far. I knew that fear would only limit my vision and make me miss on some incredible experiences. So we're gonna venture now deep into the Lapish forest. So in 2019 I learned that if I keep improving myself, I keep working hard, and I don't give up no matter the odds, I'll be one step closer to reach my end goal. In the end, I'm just extremely proud and happy to share every single moment with you.